Navajo Loop Trail. Okay, let's go, guys. Amazing.
Saan tayo sa susunod? Alright, so it's April 18. Kakatapos lang ng bus life. So it's April 18. Good morning!
Good morning! Full of energy.
Well, very good. We have a very good energy because we had a very good breakfast today. And we're all fresh. Ready to
Bryce Canyon National Park.
Bryce Canyon National Park. Where exactly are we going?
Navajo Loop Trail.
Navajo Loop Trail. Again, no, there's no need.
Iniwan niya yung susi. Sabi nila iwan.
Alright, pass it on. Say hello to my camera.
Hi!
Pass it on.
We're so excited!
No problem. As you can see, we're alive and kicking and we're ready to roll! Hello guys, nandito na po kami sa Bryce Canyon. Bryce Canyon National Park. At ang lamig-lamig nga talaga dito, pero ipaglalaban namin para sa kasi walang mananalo. Walang mananalo for the love of
Content.
Instagram and you know, for you guys, kasi gusto ko may mga pala ano pala ako, may mga followers pala ako. Hello to my followers.
Navajo Loop?
Ay, anong oras? Ay, iniwan na pala tayo. Anong oras na, Jay? Sa 9:23 na daw, sabi ng kasama ko si Jay. Single pa yan. See you there, ready to mingle. Say hi!
Hey guys.
Wala naman akong follower. Actually, kayo lang nanonood. Hindi, at saka ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view. Ganda. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my God, that's amazing.
Video.
Amazing, so beautiful. Look at that.
The view.
Look at the view. I'm the view.
The best view.
The best view for today is me. Hi. Good morning from Bryce Canyon. Very beautiful. Look at that.
The other side.
Like, see right here, you get a better.
Ganyan sa baba dahil matutumba. Magalit ko si Mayora talaga. Oh, galit na naman si Mayor. Hindi pa dapat dito para nandyan ang view. Dapat dito tayo nagaling.
Pero wala tayong matatabo.
Ate, tama dyan ate. Tama to dito.
ganun,
Tapos pa nandyan tayo. Tatalon ulit tayo. Naman yun. Oo nga, mag-repeat na tayo. Habang wala pang tao. Kasi dadating pa sila.
So we're going to Navajo Loop Trail. Look at that. It's beautiful. Mansion. This will be the view. Jeez. We are here in Navajo Loop Trail. All right, we're gonna go to Navajo Loop Trail.
Go, go, go.
I
Renee.
will show you Bryce Canyon National Park.
Okay.
This is the way.
Go, 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 guys. Okay.
Oh my god.
Sige, sige.
Oh my god. It's
All
stunning.
right. Oh my god, it's stunning. Sige, sige, sige.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at those. Hi.
Awesome.
Hi. Hi. How's the view?
Amazing.
How's the view? I'm the best view. Wow, look at that. So amazing. Amazing. Everything is beautiful here in Utah. So this is the Navajo Loop Trail. We're gonna go down and walk through this trail. I guess you can see may mga tao doon sa baba. So yan yung gagawin namin. I don't know what's gonna be there, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be an amazing day. The weather is so nice. It's breezy and it's cold. It's sunny, but we have protection. We have our SPF 70 protection. Where's your Michael Cinco, te?
Oh.
You forget
He's
it.
sick.
He's
Kaya kailangan
sick.
magpahinga. Over fatigue.
Because it's
Yeah,
overused.
it's overused kasi.
Oh my gosh, papalapit na tayo ng papalapit. Oh, there's a Wall Street. Oh, look. Okay, Wall Street is closed because of the rockfall, according to our guide, our navigator. So I'm sorry, there's no trading. Trading is closed today. Why is it? Wait, why is it called Wall Street? Where's our guide? Renee, bakit? Why is it called Wall Street? Ah, okay, I got it. Yung parang siyang skyscrapers ng Wall Street. Ah,
Pang maganda.
hello.
Kailangan natin medyo nakaganon para kita yung view. Tayo here. Ayan, ganun mo. Ay, Jay, ganun mo lang pala. Itaas niya pala.
Okay, let's go guys. Come on, come on.
Ang bagal naman ng mga kasama natin. Double time, double time. Oh my gosh.
Dapat kasi sunod-sunod tayo para maganda sa atin.
Oh, hello.
Hi!
Ganda. Ganda dito. Tingnan mo, oh. Paano kaya to nabuo?
This one, the good thing about this is
Ano talaga?
wallpaper.
Oo. Mag-ingat pa tayo sa pagbaba. Ayokong mahulog sa Bryce Canyon. Ang ganda naman dito sa Bryce Canyon. Oh, nice. Doon yung mga kaibigan ko. Hi! Ayan, ang ganda. Look at that. Doon pa siya. She's catching up. Ang ganda. Look. Gosh. Ganda dito. Bumababa na kami. Hi! Diba? Oh.
Closer.
Kuya, may trivia daw kayo. Ano yun?
According sa mga research ko, nabuo daw yung mga rock formation na yan dahil dun sa coyote.
Coyote?
Yeah. Yung mga natives before, every time they do bad deeds, kino-convert yung coyote
Oh.
yung mga tao, kaya sa form.
Oh. Oh my gosh! So, nandito na kami sa baba ng Bryce Canyon and we're heading to... Saan tayo, ate? Pupunta? Ay, busy si ate. Ano kaya ang view doon? Yung yun. Wait, hindi nyo pa na-answer yung sagot ko at tanong ko. Ano ba yung... Saan tayo pupunta?
We go to the sunrise.
Queen's Garden.
Diba?
Diba?
It's about 2 months away from here.
Wow!
Kunwari. 2.1.
2.1 miles.
2.1.
Hoy, may sinabi ko sa kanya, hoy, alam mo, sinabi ng isang kasamahan namin na pogi ka daw.
Sino nagsabi?
Sinabi ko sa kanya, sinabi mo. Joke.
Ay, nasa,
Di ba sinabi mo?
nasa camera yun. Makikita yun. Ay, ito. Oh. Ano yan? May rock formation.
Ay, ang ganda nun sa taas.
Ah, may orange. Mayroon din white doon. May white. May orange din. Ano?
Well, that's a meat. But the real
Spell meat.
M-E-A-T.
M-E-A-T.
Pwedeng
Ay,
M-E-A-T.
pwedeng M-E-A-T.
Pwedeng M-A-T-E.
Alright, we're having a good time here in
In
Bryce Canyon.
Price, the casino price. There's a lot of rice here in Bryce.
Movie?
The old ET movie. Look at that in between.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, oo nga.
Nasa gitna tayo ng ng mga kagubatan. How are you guys doing? Still working? Nakakalo na ako. Ay, ang ganda. Nasa narrow alley tayo.
Yeah, exactly. Is that the way? Carry on.
Si Mayora.
Bakit yung kay Rene? Ganda eh.
At saka si photographer.
Yung tingin group picture dito, maganda eh. Ito may papa. Tapos may papa.
1, 2, 3, hey!
Ay, maganda yan.
Ay, na pictorial si Mayora.
Mayora!
Next.
Ang ganda talaga.
Diba? Ganda dito. Tapos, nandun kami. Nanggaling kami doon. Yun, sa pinakatuktok. Tapos umikot-ikot kami dito. Yan. Hanggang saan napunta kami ngayon dito? Nandun na yung mga kasama ko. Iniwan na ako. Ano ba yan? Saan tayo sa susunod?
Sand
Ito.
dunes.
Sand dunes. Anong gagawin natin after?
We have to eat some.
Nawala na yung script. So, tapos na po yung ano namin, hike. Ba't ka tumawa?
Parang wala pa kami energy.
Ayan, kakain, nagbe-break na po kami. Kumusta?
Ako,
Ate,
ano lang ako,
ate, kumusta naman ang Bryce Canyon? Anong masasabi ninyo?
Amazing.
Ikaw, Jay, anong
Hindi
masasabi mo sa Bryce
surprising.
Canyon? Surprise. Ikaw, in one word, how would you describe?
Amazing.
What? Stunning. Kuya? Speechless. How about you, Darren? In one word, how would you describe?
Describeless.
No, you have to tell us in Polish.
Alright.
In Polish. Ah, ikaw, kumusta naman? Magnificent, and you?
Gorgeous.
American
Ayan.
version of cheapy.
Oh, yan nga, Fritos. Masarap yan. Favorite ko. Nandito kami sa mga punuan. Hello. Ay, biglang...
Hinalingan ko na naman to kahit hindi ko na...
Pak, ganun.
Pa!
Three, 1, 2, 3. Okay. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tingin. Talon. Tingin. Okay.
Are you tired?
I am. But the
But
view is
look at the
amazing.
view.
Look at the view.
What is this place? Para makita ang fort. Hindi, video.